Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to withdraw USDT from your MetaMask wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your USDT safely and efficiently. USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for transactions. But before we jump in, remember that crypto involves risks like fees and potential scams, so always double-check everything. First things first, make sure you have the MetaMask Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025 security features. Open the app and unlock your wallet using your password or Face ID. Once you're in, navigate to your Assets tab and locate your USDT balance. If you don't see it, you might need to add the USDT token manually by searching for its contract address on Ethereum or another supported network. Next, to withdraw USDT, you'll typically send it to another wallet or an exchange. Click on the USDT asset, then hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this to avoid losing your funds. Set the amount you want to withdraw, and don't forget to review the gas fees, which can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Hit Next to review the transaction details. Before confirming, MetaMask will show you a summary of the transaction. Take a moment to verify everything looks correct, including the amount and fees. Once you're good, click Confirm and sign the transaction with your wallet. You'll see a pending status while the blockchain processes it. This usually takes a minute or two, but it could be longer during peak times. After it's confirmed, head over to your recipient wallet or exchange to check if the USDT has arrived. Congrats, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and stay updated on the latest security practices to protect against hacks. If you run into any issues, MetaMask's support resources are a great help. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.